Hello, this is John from Jay's Gear and Survival, and I'm here today to do a review on the Nitecore EA11. I've been EDCing this for a while. It has 5 light modes, strobe, and a red light. It uses a 14500. It can also use a AA, but the standard battery is an IMR 14500. This is a bit of a newer battery. The past year they've been doing these about. This battery is capable of delivering 6.5 amps and 3.7 volts. So that's quite the stand up from AA, even a regular 14500. And this technology with them amps allows it to deliver 900 lumens on turbo. With a AA sized battery. Now, with the IMR 14500, you get 900 lumens for 30 minutes on turbo. On high, you get 300 lumens for 45 minutes. Medium, 160 lumens for 1.5 hours. Low, 70 lumens for 2.5 hours. And the lowest one, 1 lumen, 12 hours. Now, you can use a standard AA or a standard 14500, but you're going to get drastically decreased lumen output with that. On turbo with the regular AA, you're only going to get 160 lumens for 45 minutes. It has a 190 meter beam distance. Its impact resistance up to 1.5 meters. And I can assure you I've tested that, because in my EDC lights I'm pretty rough on them to make sure they last. I've had this one for over 6 months, carried it every day, and as you can tell, it's been used. It's also IPX8 waterproof, 2 meters or 6.6 feet. It comes with a 5-year warranty, and it has a red light as well, which is good for looking for something at night. You barely see it here because it's pretty bright in here, but this is works really nice at night for to not ruin your night vision. So if you're just looking for something and you don't want to wake anybody, you use the red light. I use it all the time for searching for things. That way you don't wash it out and it's easier to see. It doesn't affect your eyes that much either. This comes with a nice standard Nitecore belt pouch that I don't have with me because I use the pocket clip. But it's a really good light. I recommend it. And I carry it every day for the most part, along with my favorite O-light, AA battery light. I prefer carrying AA lights because they're easily available. Now, if this dies and my batteries that I carry with me all the time die also, I can just go to the store, throw a AA in here. Obviously, I'm not going to get as much output, but I'm still going to have a flashlight. Now, I have nothing against CR123 lights and that. I have a ton of them. Here's a couple. I'm going to be doing a review on them here soon. I also have this one. I got a lot of them. I also have the bigger 18650 lights and them as well. If you're wondering why this is on, I was doing a test on this glow-in-the-dark thing here. Well, that's all for this video. This has been John with another flashlight review. Bye.